Here's how we can set the app layout to the default on iPhone. Let me show you quickly how it works. If you are new here and first time on the Foxtecc channel, consider subscribing for the next tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so essentially you can go to the settings app, then check out the general section, and at the bottom of the list we have the transfer or reset iPhone menu. You're gonna get inside and we don't want to erase the phone completely. Just click on the reset button here again, and it's gonna ask you what exactly you want to reset. So you can go back to the original settings or reset the network settings, but we are interested in the home screen layout. So you can find it there. It's right here on the list, and it will essentially require you to confirm it again, but you'll then be able to come back to the original way the apps looked on the home screen when you first unboxed it. So that is really nice if you did a lot of changes to your home screen and you want to come back to the original mode. So that is all that you really need to know about it. It was just a quick video. Let me know what you think, subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon.